Jackson.
Jackson, do you want your hockey stick? Take it, Lee. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Want to play hockey? Come on, come on here.
Go after your mom, Jax. Chase her down.
Let's go. Come on. Oh, I think about like these quarters.
Hey, Jax, what are you doing? Are you playing hockey? Can you wave to Grandma and Grandpa? And Grandpa?
Wave,
And Grandma?
say hello. Say hi. Hi. Hello, everybody. Hockey.
Jax, you're too fast for me. I can't keep up. Yay! You made it to your bedroom. Now what?
It's on the island.
Jackson? Jax! Hey, show everybody how you can play hockey. Can you swing the club? Hello.
Go swing.
Hello, Jackson. Do you
Where's your goal?
have a golf swing, Jax?
Golf swing. Oh.
Golf swing.
Yeah, there you go.
Right on. That's great. Uh-oh.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Mommy. Bye, Daddy. Can you wave for Grandma and Grandpa? And Grandma and Grandpa?
Wave. Give him a wave.
All right.
Oh, I'm exhausted. Oh, Flower doesn't know what she's wondering. What does this mean?